guys, this is Dave with AeroKingRC. Today we're going to show you how to work our servo tester that you can get on our website. And basically it's real simple. It has a 3-position switch. The very top switch is a manual mode. The center switch is going to be neutral, and the bottom is going to be an automatic switch. So basically what you could do is if you have servos ready to install on your plane, you can do this prior to, or if you have servos already installed, you can do a quick centering of the servo by switching that to neutral. So I'll go ahead and show you how this thing works. It's not real hard. So basically you have at the very top is going to be the manual mode, the next switch is the neutral mode, and the bottom is the automatic. So what I'm going to go ahead and leave that on neutral, and we'll go ahead and hook this thing up. I'll set that down to 0, and what we're going to do is this has has 4 connector pins. The very first one is going to be where you hook up your ESC. So you're going to run this off an ESC because it's going to run a voltage between 4.5 and 6 DC volts. And then the other 3 pin you can hook up servos. So what we'll do is go ahead and hook up the ESC first. And I've got a small ESC here I'm going to use, and make sure if you look at the bottom, there's going to be a negative sign at the very bottom. Then you have the positive, which is your power in the center. So make sure your dark wire is toward the bottom to the negative. So I'll go ahead and hook up that first connector with the ESC. Okay, with my servos, what I have here is I already put the servo arm on just randomly. Not sure if it's centered or not, but I'll just pretend like that's on an airplane, and it also could be, not necessarily on the airplane. You can do it without actually installing it first. So we'll hook the next connector pin, and we've got a S1, S2, S3 pin. So we'll go ahead and hook this to S1. So again, I'm going to do the dark wire toward the bottom and the white wire toward the top. So go ahead and hook that up. And we'll go ahead and hook up a second servo, just so that we've got 2 going here. Hook it up the same way. Okay, so the last thing we got to do is hook up the battery. And I've got this set on neutral, so let's go ahead and try this. Okay, so the battery is now connected, it's flashing. So if I switch this to manual, that's going to allow me to move these things back and forth manually. Back to neutral. There, now they're in the neutral position. So what you can do is go back and set your arms where you want them. Put them at 90, and now we'll put it back on manual. That's going to show your full range. So when you're setting up your control surfaces, this way you can see if you've got enough throw, or if maybe you got too much throw, so you can back it off a little bit. So now we'll put on the automatic, and that just basically swings it back and forth all by itself. And that's all that does. So we'll put it back in neutral, and it's ready to go. So that's all you got to do. Thank you for watching AeroKingRC. Take care. Bye.